guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Flavia with yet an international update. On a sad note, January 2nd, 2023, the sports fraternity has lost a legend. Ken Block suddenly passes on in a snowmobile accident. It's really very sad because according to his last Instagram post, having this proud dad moment of his 16-year-old daughter Leah, who had just bought an Audi. He was quite a family man. You could see it in his family post. He was had this staunch family kind of like bringing. He valued family more than anything. He survived by 3 children and his beautiful wife. At just 55 years of age, Ken competed in various games like snowboarding, skateboarding, and motocross rallies, among various games. He was originally based in Utah, where he actually took his last breath. His family asks for privacy during this trying moment. Attributes all over the world are pouring in from various fans, many calling him as his idol. They're going to miss him tremendously. My sincere condolences to his family. May the good Lord strengthen you during this trying moment. Subscribe to the channel. See you in my next one.